Not sure what's the best guitar to start learning on first? Watch this video where I'll decode the myth of which guitar to start learning first. Watch until the end of this video and I'll give you a free online guitar course onto learning your first song today. I'm so glad you landed on my channel. I talk about learning to play the guitar from scratch. I also teach you how to play the best beginner songs out there every single week. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I post new videos. The main difference between the two is really the sound they make and the different styles of music you'd be playing. If you were learning to play, say, rock and blues music, then an electric guitar will be the right choice for you. Acoustic guitars are more mellow in sound and suit, say, music of country and pop, where you generally are strumming chords. They're great if you are backing yourself singing as well. The good thing about acoustic guitars, if you have a power cut, then you can still play. Let's get clear on what style of music you'll be playing, from say rock to pop, and getting to know what your favourite artists play. Acoustic will be a better choice if you are playing and singing with the guitar. Acoustic is more portable and you don't need electricity to be able to play it. Metal and nylon strings. There are two different types of guitar strings, metal and nylon strings. The electric guitar uses metal strings. This can be less forgiving on your fingertips as a beginner guitarist. Some acoustic guitars use nylon strings and can be more comfortable on the fingers at the beginner stage of learning. I recommend for kids to start with nylon string guitar for the first few months of learning. The acoustic, you can just get out and start playing straight away, and they're a little more basic, where electric guitars have different buttons to create different sounds. You'll also need an amplifier and a lead to generally more equipment with the electric guitar. So in summary, the main points to consider are the style of music you will be playing, the playability, and nylon strings being more forgiving on the fingers at the beginner stage. You'll need more equipment playing an electric guitar. Now you know exactly what to do to choose your perfect guitar. I have a free online course and challenge for you on how to play your first song in under 1 hour, and the link is below. Also, if you want to join a community of people just like you, I have a secret society where I share up-to-date guitar advice to help you navigate this sometimes tricky starting point. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, and subscribe and share it with your friends. And comment below if this video helped you.